Let us suppose that I am saying int c bracket. In this bracket I have not passed the size, but I am saying equal to 1, 2, 4, 7. So that is the declaration I have done. So what will happen? We have given the elements. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 elements are there. So in that case, the size of this array C will be automatically declared as 4 by the compiler. So what we have learned from here, we have learned that if size omitted means if the size is not mentioned, then compiler allocate enough space. Enough space means whatever the space is required for all initialized elements. Means whatever the elements we have initialized, means what we have mentioned, just like we have mentioned 1, 2, 4, 7. So there 4 elements are there, so the size initialized will be 4. So the array automatically get the size as 4. But what will happen in the case of character array? Because character also have the null value. So I'm taking the example of character array. Let us suppose that I am saying char name n, that is equal to, if I am saying double quotes, that means a string I am passing John. Now how it is going to store inside the memory? We know that this is the memory location and the name is n, and first we are having is the j o h n, and afterward /0 is applied, and automatically that string is converted into 1 character. Now we know that it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that case the size of array will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is there, that means the size of this array will be declared as 5. So what we have learned is, in case of integer, we know that there is no null character, that's why the size is 4. And in case of character, we know that the null character is required. So if the null character is required, then the size will be 5. That's why we have said compiler allocate enough size. Enough size means whatever the size required to allocate that particular elements inside the array. Now this particular thing can be shown in one other method. We can also say that char n bracket star equal to curly bracket. Now we are saying everything independently, j o h n and then /0. Here we have to apply by ourselves. So this thing and the above both are the same thing. So both are the same representation. So this John into the string form and this John into the character form, both are the same representation, and we can choose as we want.